Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 dev error 0xD8E46539. So if you're getting this dev error in Black Ops 6 on PS5 consoles, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, then click on other and then click on restore licenses. Now select Call of Duty game and then select restore, select yes to confirm. Now wait for process to get complete and then just restart your PS5 and then launch the Black Ops 6 game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If that doesn't work, then delete the Black Ops 7 game data and keep only Black Ops 6 game data. So on your PS5 homepage, highlight Call of Duty and then go to the manage game content. So click on this option, manage game content. Then uninstall Black Ops 7 content, particularly Black Ops 7 multiplayer. So click on this delete option next to Black Ops 7 multiplayer. You can also click on delete option next to Call of Duty Black Ops 7 zombies. And then also delete Black Ops 7 Warzone pack. So select Black Ops 7 Warzone pack and then click on delete next to it. And then just restart your PS5 and then go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has also solved the issue for many players. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix dev error 0xD8E46539 in the game Black Ops 6 on PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.